I really want you to watch this video and enjoy the beauty of nature. Just slow down, breathe, and let this moment calm your soul. But before I continue, don't forget to like and subscribe for more peaceful and beautiful moments like this. Nature is one of God's most precious gifts to us. The gentle sound of the wind, the soft movement of the trees, the endless beauty of the sky. It all carries a quiet peace that was hardly explained. Nature is my peace of mind. It's where stress fades away and the heart begins to feel light again. When you sit quietly and listen, you realize that everything in nature moves with purpose and calmness. The sunrise brings hope, reminding you that no matter what happened yesterday, today is a fresh start. The sunset brings rest, telling you it's okay to pause and breathe. The flowing rivers, the singing birds, the dancing leaves, they all create a perfect harmony that suits the soul. Sometimes all you need is a quiet moment with nature to reset your mind, to step away from noise, from pressure, from everything, and just exist. In that stillness, you find clarity. In that silence, you find yourself. Look at how the trees stand tall through every season, teaching us strength. And look at how flowers bloom without rushing, teaching us patience. Look at the sky, so wide and endless, reminding us that life is bigger than our worries. Nature has a way of feeling what we cannot explain. It brings calm to anxious hearts, comfort to tired minds, and joy to the simplest moments. It also reminds us to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to appreciate the beauty around us. So, if you really enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.